Hey collective, how are you? This is Shreya Khanna. You're watching me on YouTube right now. Welcome to another collective general reading. Only take what resonates and do not take what does not. And make sure that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you are here, this is gonna be for you. Okay. Guys, there is a love situation that you are dealing with right now. Anything that comes in here, if it resonates with you, I will give you solution and remedy at the end of the video. Okay, so let's just find out what is your love situation that we are looking at right now. You can book your love readings and spiritual readings with me, your enlightenment readings with me through WhatsApp. Contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, you can find the number in the description box. Also, we have a tarot card reading course. You can connect me through WhatsApp for the details, and that's a beginner level course. Any of you who wants to invest in a new skill, you want to become a tarot card reader, you want to learn how to manifest with tarot and reading tarot cards, all the 78 cards, and how to answer towards your clients. So yes, you can contact me through WhatsApp. You will be given all the details in the course. So this is gonna be a 1 month course. Okay, let's just see what's the collective reading for today. Love reading. Okay, let's just find it out. What is the collective love reading for today? Okay, we have Ace of Swords as your first card. We have the Judgment card for you. I've received 4 cards. We have Queen of Pentacles and we have 9 of Swords. Guys, see, this reading is gonna be a little bit different, but the first thing that is coming to me is as that you are confused whether you want to, go towards this person or you want to keep continuing in your own life. Maybe you are married, maybe you're not, but I think you don't want to let this person go. At the same time, you want to be a free soul, you want to connect with the divine, and you want to keep continuing what you're doing. But this won't be a complete lie that you are a free soul and you're living the best of it, but you can't let this, you like, something within you is not able to release this person. Okay, you're not releasing this person. Is more like you feel like this person is your half soul, and you have some kind of attachment to this person, you have something to do with this person, and something is telling me that you're very very confident about your own life now. Okay, you're very very confident about your own life. You are sitting in peace, you are sitting in, so something with you is not making sense to you right now. But let me tell you something. Okay, um sometimes you're really really peaceful, that your life is great, your life is awesome, God has given you spirituality, and with your your situation, you are getting a hold of your finances and you're taking responsibility in everything. Okay, but at the same time I see you praying in the very wrong way. Wrong way means that um you are anxious sometimes. Okay, you're anxious, you're not letting go of something, you're like moving forward in life with a very like something can be suddenly happening, and you will have no control over it. No, you don't need to be like that. First of all, divine is telling you that wherever you are, whosoever you are, like even if you're fat, even if something has happened in the past, even if you don't know how to deal with your particular situation, even if you are burdened right now, you are praying in the wrong manner, because that is not helping you. Something is uh you know going wrong what you're doing. Okay, first of all, you're really um like the Queen of Pentacles. You think about money. You are a very peaceful person when it comes to money. So with you, I'm getting you could have been, not now, but in the earlier times, you could have been giving your money to your friends, your other people, and forgetting about it, not even asking it back. Okay, something like that is telling me. But when it comes to other people, you see very very bad energies related to money, and that, my friend, is who you know that you're not. So you're very confident and comfortable when it comes to money. Okay, with divine energies, with very very wisdom. So in here you have wisdom, in here you have wisdom, in here you have strong gut power. Both of these cards have strong gut powers. Okay, but I don't know why. I think that your person has given you a, emptiness in your stomach. Your stomach could have felt very very um like, how do I say it, empty, right? So I really understand, guys, that you're going through a lot right now watching these cards. But trust me, do not beg. Do not beg for what you deserve, not even to God. I am a spiritual person, I have my faith in God, and I'm telling you not to beg from God, not to beg from universe. And this is the card of the judgment. Something is telling me that you're you're done with a lot of trouble in your life. You're done with dealing with something that is very very troublesome in your life, and you really don't want to continue doing the same thing. Okay, first of all, you need to stop praying the way you do, because you're not. So what is this nine of swords telling me? This nine of swords is telling me that you have hope. Okay, you want to be free, you have hope. But this nine of swords is a card where it tells you that life is actually not that bad. You are doing great. You just, you're not doing great. Oh, you're great. Sorry, you're doing great. Okay, I'm sorry. So you are doing great. This is what is being told to you. You are doing great. Okay, life is not that bad. Nine of Swords is more like, you know, it's about no one, it's about you. And you need to get out from that crying space, because life is not that bad. Okay, you need to realize this. Plus there is a very strong hope for you. And I'm not saying that you have a, one light, one small light that is giving you hope. No, you are a big light yourself, and a big beautiful white or a rainbow light that you are. Okay, I'm not talking about, a very small thing. You are a big thing. Okay, so trust that things are happening good for you. You don't want to release this person. Let's just see what this person and you have like going on right now. We have the Empress card. I see you with a very strong Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, earth energy. Okay, this person is like, you are attracting this person to yourself right now. So trust me, you can't go two ways. You can't be confused where your cards are telling me right now. First, you don't want to release this person. Second, you're very very hopeful about this person. Third, you are so much doing about yourself. You're so much about rebuilding yourself. You're so much grounded to earth that anybody could be attracted to you. You are becoming beautiful and beautiful every day. You are very calm. You're very satisfied where you are. But then there is something like your person gave you this emptiness in your stomach, and you don't know how to digest that emptiness. Okay, let it go, because this person is being attracted to you high time. Your person is like, in case you have faith within you, your person is being attracted to you big time. You don't have to release your person. You just have to release that emptiness that this person gave you. Because I see that you are, getting your old memories. I see that you are You have a strong speaking about something. You may have some kind of anger right now, with this unhelplessness. You are feeling helpless, something about this situation. But trust me, your person is being attracted to you right now, because you are looking your good, you're looking your best, you are redefining yourself. So any of you who is redefining yourself, write down in the comment section, you are redefining yourself. Apart from that, your person is being attracted because of the money, because of your these two people are looking at each other, and this is your energy. Both are you. Okay, your person is being very, very attracted to you. So they are, I'm feeling that your person is getting this ego cut down from their life, something like that. Okay. Any other energy that you and this person is gonna see in coming future? Let's find out. Okay, this is Six of Pentacles. This is Seven of Cups. Your person is going to, in future, your person is going to have a hard time um, coming to you, hard time thinking what they want. And by that time, I'm getting that you would already have moved on. This is coming in very near future. One more card, please. Okay, thank you. Ace of Pentacles. I'm telling you, your person is like attracted to you, but they don't know how to approach you. Okay. This is also coming to me as you are going. So with you, I'm getting this amazing Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and this Empress card. I need to tell you that start doing donations and charities. Even if you want to donate, just 100 rupees to someone, start doing it. Okay. Start making charities happen, because you are attracting a new future. You are attracting a something new career, new business, new job, amazing money, amazing finances. Start charity today. Okay, whatever you want to donate, even if it is 100 rupees, even if somebody comes to your doorstep with a delivery, give them something, at least 50 rupees, at least, not less than that. So 20 and 30, no man, increase it, increase it to a 50 rupees, 100 rupees, depending on what you are getting at your doorstep as a delivery. Okay, so 50 to 100 rupees is like it should be every day for you. Do it every single day. Okay, you need to start your charity today only, because your future holds a lot of importance. And with this person, what this person is gonna do, this is King of Pentacles with the Queen of Pentacles. So I'm getting some of you could be getting getting a new person. You would have already moved on. Okay, but your person is gonna have a hard time in their life. They don't know what to do, but this is your person's energy. They are being attracted to you. I told you what is your person gonna do. We have received King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles together. You're gonna build a home together, as who your lover is. You and them are gonna build a home together. Let me just find out when or how soon this can happen for you. Okay, this is, we have King of Swords. Okay, one more card. Although I know what your person is like doing right now. Okay, the Knight of Cups. Okay, um right, your person is having some kind of difficulty even now. Your person is like, they don't know what to do, because their heart chakra and throat chakra has not opened. With you can feel them in because there is something related to your throat chakra, there is something related to your person's throat chakra also. Okay, um something between you needs to be cleared. Okay, there is Knight of Cups. So not right now, not very soon, you can expect your person to come back to you. Okay, I'm getting it could be 9 months from now. Okay, not very soon. Trust me on this one, not very soon. 9 months. Okay. 9 months is like your person has some kind of lessons that they need to learn, because this Knight of Cups is telling me that they want it as a casual date night, or you know a romantic night with you. Even if your person is a girl or a boy, even if you are a girl or a boy, your person is looking out for a romantic night, date out, date night, like night out, something like that with you. But they want to, you know they may not be able to see it right now because of the troubles between you guys, because of the troubles that their life has given them. But this is where you and your person are supposed to be together. Some of you are going to be with a different person. You would have still, been moving on to different relationships after couple of months, weeks, or days. You would be dating someone else, but you and your person, for other people, you are going to be together. Okay, so this was your reading, your love situation. I hope you liked it. I hope you received some kind of insights from this one. Okay, I'll leave this reading and close this reading for now. Any of you want to book your personal readings, get your marriage marriage readings, or love readings, or your spiritual readings, get it done from me. I do it over a phone call now. In these days, not video is not available right now. And apart from that, yes, the tarot card reading course. Okay, both of for both the things, you can contact me through WhatsApp number. You can find in description box. I will see you next time. Lots of love. Radhe Radhe to all of you.